Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to contact Activision Live Support. So if you have troubles with your Activision games, you can do so by searching up support.activision.com. And if your account needs help, and you can check it out in this individual games and check it out if you can resolve it yourself. So second, you can actually scroll down to the very bottom of your Activision and go to support options right here. So support options will look like this, so you can log into your Activision account to actually access the recommended support options, and you log in. You can choose from the games, platform, topics, or issues right here. So basically, if you have a real problem that cannot be solved and you want to contact Activision for that, you can send them an email right here, or you can call this number for a live person to actually uh, tackle your query with your own Activision game. So just contact this number as you can see. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.